Hi babes, it's Letty from I Am Threads. I hope you enjoyed our little behind the scenes of our latest sip and shop that we're about to have. I'm so excited because we're debuting our newest and latest summer collection. I cannot wait to hear you guys' feedback, see what you guys think. A lot of you will get a first debut at our sip and shop, but don't worry, I will have all our latest collection up on our website as well. So please be sure to visit us any other day at the shop as well in person if you're local here in Ontario. And if not, always you can visit us on our website at im-threads.com. And I hope to hear a lot more feedback from you guys. And I wanted to go ahead and say thank you so much for your continued support. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I'm so grateful for every single one of you.